Environmental stewards are the people out on the front lines fighting for environmental justice, against illegal dumping, against toxic waste, against pollution of our creeks and streams, against greenhouse gases that are warming the planet. Some people work tirelessly, without any support or encouragement at all. Many are self-motivated. Those motivations include beautification. They want to live clean, green, and pristine. Camaraderie. Some are energized when neighbors come together to create and maintain beautiful spaces. Climate. Some are doing their due diligence to reduce carbon footprints. Biodiversity. Some understand the importance of having ecosystems that balance human needs with the needs of the plants and animals that live around us. Many others just love nature. Here at the Beth Eden Green Initiative, BEGIN, we feel that we can inspire and engage more stewards with motivations that are closer to home, motivations that are moral or ethical. That's why we have come up with an environmental justice series to our virtual field guides, funded by a $1,000 Keep Oakland Beautiful community grant and in coordination with a coalition that includes Beth Eden Baptist Church, Green the Church, Holy H2O, Black Naturalist Group, the Insect Sciences Museum of California, and a doctoral student in creation care at the Berkeley School of Theology. We have organized a mobile exhibit that puts front and center the flora and fauna living throughout Oakland's 80 square miles. The exhibit features photographs by residents in select neighborhoods, and the number of represented neighborhoods in Oakland is increasing. The birds, the butterflies, the bees, the blossoms, all benefit when Oaklanders are inspired to take environmental stewardship seriously. Incorporation of photos by neighbors also gives a nod to environmental stewards doing their part online to celebrate Oakland's rich biodiversity. We pop up exhibits at community cleanups, beautification projects, and other events. If you're planning an environmental stewardship function, consider sending us an invitation at eddie@begin.earth and visit us online at www.begin.earth.